The Colombo Stock Exchange ended the week on a positive note, with the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, advancing 67.84 points, 0.31%, to close at 21,765.56, while the S&P/SL 20 Index gained 14.94 points, 0.25%, to settle at 6,081.43. Positive contributions from selected large-cap counters supported the market's upward movement, although losses in a few heavyweight stocks moderated the overall gain. Investor sentiment remained cautiously optimistic as buying interest outweighed selling pressure during the session. The market recorded a total turnover of LKR 2.03 billion during the session, with crossings amounting to LKR 664.09 million. Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc and John Keells Holdings plc were among the companies that recorded the highest traded value, highlighting continued investor interest in leading market counters. The total market capitalization stood at LKR 7,887.15 billion by the end of trading. Market activity was predominantly driven by domestic investors, with domestic purchases accounting for the majority of total market purchases at 1,916.20 rupees MN, while foreign purchases amounted to 116.50 rupees MN. On the selling side, domestic sales stood at 1,243.13 rupees MN, compared to foreign sales of 789.57 rupees MN, indicating increased foreign selling activity during the session. Renuka Foods plc led the list of top gainers for the day, recording the strongest price appreciation amid heightened investor interest. It was followed by gains in SoftLogic Capital plc, CT Land Development plc, LAUGFS Gas plc, and Samsung International plc, reflecting positive sentiment across a diverse range of sectors during the trading session. TESAGRO plc recorded the steepest decline among the day's top losers, reflecting notable selling pressure during the session. Odell plc, Commercial Development Company plc, Dialogue Finance plc, and CW Mackey plc also closed lower, as profit-taking and weak investor sentiment weighed on these counters across multiple sectors. Ceylon Cold Stores plc emerged as the largest positive contributor to the ASPI during the session, supported by buying interest in the counter. Gains in Haycarb plc, Dialogue Axiata plc, John Keells Holdings plc, and RIL Property plc further lifted the index, with strength across consumer, industrial, telecommunications, diversified, and real estate sectors contributing to the market's positive performance. Selling pressure in Sampath Bank plc weighed most heavily on the ASPI during the session. Additional declines in Lanka IOC plc, Cargills, Ceylon plc, Carson Cumberbatch plc, and LLC Holdings plc also exerted downward pressure on the index, partially offsetting gains in other large-cap counters and limiting the market's overall advance.